Stop.
Oh my god!
Jenny. I'm just trying to go with my day.
Oh my god!
Oh my god! We're between floors.
Shares, my brother's stuck in an elevator. Carter, can you get out? Steven, call the police. This is freaky.
Yo, what the fuck, bro? I'm in a fucking elevator, bro.
Look at how fucking aggressive this elevator is. Look, I'm not going to hell, bitch. No.
You have seen that be hit.
We're on the elevator. She's on the. Lauren, open the door.
No.
It's okay.